Recently, Iran and US talks failed. Come, read with me. Recently, Iran US blame each other as talk ends without a deal. So, what was the issue? The issue was the United States and Iran has failed long discussion around 21 hours. Okay. Now, however, they could not reach any agreement. As a result, the talk ended without success and increased uncertainty in the region. Now, what was the demand of the US? The US was clearly demanding the Iran to stop its nuclear program. Fine. The US also asked for a strong guarantee that Iran will never build strong nuclear weapon. Then, therefore, the US took a strict position during the talk. So the upper handed was on US. But what was the Iran stand? Iran was focusing on that his on the other hand, the Iran denied making nuclear weapon, but it stated that it only demand nuclear energy for peaceful uses. Okay. Then hence Iran refuses to accept the US demand completely. Now what was the main reason for failure? The main issue was disagreement over the nuclear program. While the US wanted a complete stop, Iran wanted to continue peaceful use of that nuclear program. Due to this major difference, agreement was possible. So due to this reason, major difference and no agreement was possible. Now this led to happen the blame on each other. After the failure, the US demanded and blamed Iran for non cooperating, and meanwhile the Iran blamed the US for making unfair demands. Thus both sides held each other responsible. Now this causes a serious ceasefire at risk. So earlier both sides had agreed to temporarily ceasefire. Now since talks have failed, this ceasefire is in danger and it ends up may starts with its uncertainty. Now what will be the impact on the region? The tension are affecting the West Asia region. Okay, West Asia region, there has already been loss of lives and damages. In addition, all supply disruptions all are increasing global prices. So this is all about this news. Thank you for watching.